guys, and welcome to another RacingDiffs story about the LSD conversion kit. Today, unlike the previous videos, we will show you some different features compared to the drifting, tires burning, donuts and so on. Today we'll show you some practical features of the LSD conversion kit, and for that we built this device to simulate surface without the traction. For example, if you park the car with the right side on the wet grass, snow, mud and so on, and the other side of the car is on the tarmac with a high grip, you will see what will happen with the open diff and afterwards what will happen with the LSD conversion kit. So you guys saw how we use the LSD conversion kit to get out of everyday situations. The conversion kit is the product made for more than 150 different cars. You can check down the link in the description of this video to find your fitment. See you guys in some of the next situations.